comes, don't postpone it. When others doubt and out, you don't condone it. Truth be told, yourself is your toughest opponent. When your moment comes, grab hold and own it. Never let go.
Hello artisans, so welcome to this channel again, and I'm so much glad to present to you this kind of painting that I did, and I want you to get along with the video on how to do it on the rough cut. If you are a member here, then you will probably see the rough cut wherein you can also paint along with me, and if you are not a member, then you will just be able to see the video in speed play. Alright, so this image is all about the background and how to mix in and create the kinds of effects that we are actually having in here. Alright, it doesn't seem so much within this picture, but what I can tell you is that on how you would create your image by imagination. It's a very strong heat of sunlight in the background, and the flowers are already almost in full bloom, and it's standing right there where the sun is shining through it. It's a little bit of midday, as you can say. So why don't you just sit back and relax and get along with the video, grab your materials and paint along with me. Okay, so now we're gonna mix again and add a little bit more color. So what I can say is that every brush strokes that happens here defines on how you control your brush. Okay, so if you are stressed, you can probably make some undefined lines here, and this actually teaches you to become a little bit more precise and calm about yourself, to trust your ability to do something, or to at least finish something. So there, now I've done the greens. So now what I'm going to do is to actually make the lines, and for me to do that is I would probably use the color Violet. Okay, I think this is the one, right? Alright, I think so. And I would start probably here. Let me see if I could do it. Yeah. Okay. Probably I will need the other brush. I'm gonna need this brush probably, because they are small oblong shaped flowers. So we're just gonna make the foreground colors, so not to be precise. So we're just gonna have to dab. And when you create this kind of flowers, or when you paint, never forget to leave a little bit of space, because if you paint and they're too close to each other, you would probably won't gonna create the effects of the flowers. So it's good to have a little bit of space here and there. So you can also create these kinds of painting in watercolor by taking pictures on flowers and practicing them, and just draw the main shapes of the flower. Don't be too much concerned about so much details, because you can create an illusion within the painting if you'd like to. Right, now I think we have done it very well. So we're finished, and I'm gonna add on probably my extra signature here. So, right, I don't know if you could see it. All right. Let me show it to you. Okay, so now it looks like this after we have painted it, and I hope that you have enjoyed this, and see you again on the next lesson.